Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can make a new group chat online. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to make a new group chat online, it's actually so easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Line app. And after opening your Line app, next, I want you to go to the message section. And here at the message section, you will be able to see this message icon right here that has a plus sign. I want you to tap it. And then select the group option. And after that, you will then be able to see all your Line friends right here. So just select all the friends you want to add to your group chat. But in my case, I only have one friend since this is just my demo account, so I will just select my only friend to add it to my group. And once you're done selecting your friends, just tap next to proceed. And then you will now begin setting up your group chat right here. So to set up your group chat, you just need to enter the group name and the group profile picture that you want. This will identify your group and make it easier for members to recognize. And right here, you will be able to see many themes you can select for your group profile, but if you want to use your own image for your group, then you can tap this. And after tapping it, you will be able to see all the images saved on your device, so just select the one that you want to set as your group profile picture. And once you've selected the picture, just tap next to proceed. And then tap done to completely save your changes. And after that, it's done. Your group chat will now be completely set up, so you can now tap the create button to completely create your group chat. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, your new group chat online will now be created, so you can now use it to chat with your friends as a group. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.